recently discovered a website that can generate 3D models just by using images, and the results are quite impressive. First, we open the website Hifer. Select Human, OK. Choose an image since generating the V. Zoom in the window. Wait for the weight generation to complete. They are also very low, like .cc and .human. There's also a white matte display here. Cancel the Ebo alignment operation. Switch lighting display. Rotate left and right to view amazing. Select a sculpting tool to make fine adjustments to the model so interesting. Finally, you can download it and import it into professional 3D software for use. Zoom in to look at the more. Turn on wireframe display. Wow, it can even align a matching very accurately.